Greetings everybody. As you have guessed from the title, we are going to make a WhatsApp chatbot within 10 minutes. But first, let us understand how these WhatsApp chatbots work. What people are doing, they are basically two ways of making a WhatsApp chatbot. First way is using coding and the second is using a server method. So let's try the second method, how the server method works. You have to connect your WhatsApp account with the server, and on receiving message the server comes into play, and according to your dialog message flow, on receiving a particular message, say hi, it will forward the already assigned message to the assigned number that we have chosen. So what we are going to do, these servers that people use, I have done some research. Some of them are paid. You have need to create an account, and they are privacy issues. So we are not going to do that. But first, let us understand. Let us see directly how we are going to do. How things are going to work in this WhatsApp chatbot. So I have made a WhatsApp chatbot which will help me in finding YouTube videos according to my taste and genre. Let's initiate by saying hi. Instantly the message pops up. Here you go. There is my chatbot. And want some action movie, you want some adventure movie, and this is directly connected to the YouTube, so whichever you want. Let's go for action movies. I want to watch action movies. So it is showing me English videos, some Hindi videos, and direct link to the YouTube is here. So I'm having a little problem in troubles understanding the interface. I want a little help. Oh, I have just made a mistake, but my WhatsApp chatbot is intelligent to understand. So I'll not do this mistake again. I want help. So my WhatsApp chatbot has sent a message again. If you want to contact us, we have a number here with 24/7 guidance. So I'm very amused with their services. I would like to buy some of their services. So we have a premium services. You can contact me whenever. Let's raise the curtain, and I'm going to tell you how this chatbot is actually working. Actually, I have also already set messages, and their answers is already programmed here. So here, when I say hi, this is gonna send me a message of hi. But it has also intelligent expert matching processes. If I have written something similar to it, it's gonna do it for me. Actually, this is a paid app, but I have modified this app. I have modified this app, so it was a paid app, as you can see. So instead of using the paid service, I have used my smartphone as a server. So this is how it is working. Like the video, and if you like, please let me know by clicking that like button. Thank you.